Hello everyone. So today I have a quick hairstyle for you, and this is something I do whenever I have worn my twists for a while and I'm getting ready to wash my hair. So I'm going to need a few things, just my banana clip as well as a few bobby pins, and here I just have two. Of course, more can be used as necessary. So I like to flip my hair like I just did all the way to the crown of my head. I like to wear my hair like this because it puts less tension on my delicate edges. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply my banana clip. I kind of like to apply it sideways. I like my rolling bun to be to the side, as you can see. So here I just roll all the way around. And then I'm just going to attempt to tuck all of that hair underneath itself. So I recorded this video twice, and in this one you get a better view of me trying to tuck the hair and secure it down with the bobby pin. So there's no formula for this. Honestly, you just have to feel for it and just pin the hair down and just try to hide it as much as you possibly can. And this is a really quick protective style. And as you can see, all of the hair is tucked in. If needed, I will just add some more bobby pins, from the bottom up, or to tuck away some more hair if needed.